How are you?
I am very well, thank you.
Where are you going?
I am going to school.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 7 o'clock.
How do you go to school?
I go to school on foot.
Where do you go to school?
I go to school at elementary school.
What class are you in?
I am green class.
With whom do you go to school?
With my friends.
How far to your school?
About 100 meters.
What time do you arrive at school?
I arrive at school at 7:10 o'clock.
What do you do at school?